Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is a 2017 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive Sport Edition, stock number X231XX. 46,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report, somewhat white in color. You do receive the Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty on this Equinox. Seats 5, leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear with additional power outlet. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat with memory settings for 2 drivers, power moonroof, gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, 4 radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And this is of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon and the city average of 28 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information on this Equinox, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.